Hey guys, it's Friday, finally, March 31st. Ready for the Forex swing trading analysts. We're going to start out with the British pound dollar. It's continued its turn down. Gave us a little bit of opportunity. Would have liked it to come back up into here for a sell. But if you did happen to get anywhere in there or even here, you're in the money. Protect your profit, especially on the weekend coming up, and move your stop or get out altogether if you don't want to hold it over the weekend. The 4 hour should be in sell mode. Yep, sell mode 2. So those are confirming. I'm expecting the British pound to still come up over 25, 1.25 at some point soon. So Australian dollar, same thing in sell mode. It gave a little bit of opportunity right there. Same thing, if you've got profit, lock it in. If you don't want to hold on the weekend, go ahead and get out or move your stop, either one. 4 hour is still not in a sell mode. It's just gone sideways. Look at that. For 3-4 days. Just kind of stayed in this range. So you might want to tighten your stop up or just go ahead and take profit if you were in the sell on the 1 hour. Euro CAD, it's coming back down for where the buy was. Kind of ran away without us, but now it's coming back into us. May give us a low risk trade. Down in here would be great, because there's the stop right there. Down in there would be great for a buy. The 4 hour is saying it's still in sell mode, but I'm thinking it's just going to come up here because it really didn't give much of a chance. You could have got in there, but would like to have seen it come up to here. So if that 1 hour buy is good, then it's going to turn around and it's going to come up on the Euro CAD. That's the 1 hour. The Australian dollar in a sell mode gave a great opportunity. I was in this, got in this early this morning, and the pop up, I was up like 4:30, a little bit before 4:30 actually, just to see. And I seen this pop up with the low risk trade on 1 hour. I took that. I've already taken my profit on it though. I'm not going to hold it over the weekend. So went ahead and closed it out, took the profit, but you had an opportunity. If you was up for London session, well, you really got it. I mean, right there's a very low risk trade on the 1 hour Euro odd. And the 4 hour, same thing. So it gave you the chance to get up in there, and now it's trying to come down. Low risk trade. That's what we look for. Low risk trades. And hopefully the move is a big one. Euro odd. Canadian yen. 1 hour says it's in sell mode. They had 1, 2, 3 opportunities to get in the sell, and that's took off to the downside. The 4 hours should be in a sell mode. It's not. It's still not saying sell mode yet. So it may not be done to the upside quite yet. But it didn't really have a retracement. If you didn't get in right there, you missed it. There really wasn't any pullback. So hopefully there's going to be a pullback down into here and be a buy opportunity on the CAD yen. 1 hour's in sell mode though right now. The odd yen made a good move up. It's in sell mode on the 1 hour. And you had a little of an opportunity, not much, high risk trade if it came up into there. If you didn't get that, came up into there. Odd yen 1 hour, this is the 4 hour. Same thing, still not saying it's a sell yet. So this done the same thing as the CAD yen, just kind of run that back up. Well, if it could come back down into here, yes, a low risk buy opportunity, that would be great, because then that means it's going to go up and take that high out, go higher. It's on the 4 hour. Already in 1 hour. It's saying it's in a sell mode. That could be short term though. On the odd yen, pound odd 4 hour is in sell mode. Hope y'all got that. I'm in this. I'm not going to get out of this one because it's not really run. It just started. I got up in here, went up a little bit higher. Still got a low risk trade, so I've got to hang on to it. I got to follow my system. Got to follow it. Because more times than not, it works. So I'm going to hang on to it in the 4 hour. The stop is going to be at that candle, not that one. So I've been able to reduce my risk some because my stop's here. Because I actually got it up here. So I'm going to hold it over the weekend because I get paid because I'm selling the pound and I'm buying the Australian dollar. So the Australian dollar interest rate is higher than the pound. Interest is higher than the pound. So I'll be able to make money on it. That's why I'm keeping that one. The 1 hour, see what it says. The 4 hour looks good for a sell. It's already going in sell mode. The 1 hour. See, there's the little punch up on the 1 hour. Very low risk trade. The high was 85.35. The high was 85.27. So if you were able to get that when it poked up, you got an $8 or $9 risk. That's it, and you've already made money. So with the weekend up, you can either close out the trade, take the profit, wait till next week, see what happens. Hopefully the sale don't continue down for your sake. My sake, yes, I want it to. But it's trying to push back up here, maybe back up into here somewhere before it turns and goes back down. So that's on the 1 hour. So the pound odd. The pound CAD has come back down. Okay, I'm going to buy here. That's my stop. Low risk trade. The low, excuse me, 66.81 basically. And we're down to 66.85. So I'm getting in right now. I'm risking $4. That's it. I have to take the trade. I have to follow my system. I'm risking $4 for a potential turn back that's going to turn back above this. The 4 hour, that's on the 1 hour. The 4 hour still saying it's in sell mode. But it's already made a pretty good move down. So I'm hoping it's going to turn around in here on the pound CAD. Excuse me. The 1 hour. So it could be, yep, $4. I have to take that. I'm risking that. Let's see, because I'm putting it on right now. If I can find my pound CAD on my phone. There we go. Okay, I'm long. I'll got my stop right there, so it may take me out with the spread if this thing doesn't turn around and start going back up some. So I may have to look at adjusting that depending on, of course, it still got a little over 2 hours, actually a little over 3 hours before it closes. So it could take me out before then, but I'm willing to risk $4. A Wendy's hamburger, actually Wendy's hamburger is $6. So less than a Wendy's hamburger for a potential good return would take out that high. Pound CAD. Pound yen started sell mode. You had 2 opportunities to get in sell mode. In sell mode on the 4 hour too, so those are in agreement. So the sales are already started if you didn't get in there. I missed it. I missed that one. Don't catch them all. Wish I did. Euro New Zealand still in sell mode on the 1 hour. The 4 hour, same thing. So both of them agree in sell mode. Pound New Zealand. The 4 hour sell mode still. The 1 hour Should be still in sell mode. It is. There's no buys there yet. Of course, I got in this one yesterday. No, night before last. Yeah, night before last. And I've taken half my profit and I've moved my stop. It's right here. So the second half is going to be because I got in up in here. So the second half is going to make money too, even if it gets stopped out. So I'm okay with that. That's on the pound New Zealand. The New Zealand yen. 1 hour coming down. 4 hour is still not in sell mode. No sell yet. So it could be just a retracement before it heads back up. New Zealand yen. If you're long on it still, I'd hang on to that. It's got the potential to go up. And the euro yen. Same thing, heading down on the 1 hour. Uh, 4 hour is in sell mode, so those agree. So wow, you had 3 opportunities to get the sell. It's not quite moved a whole lot. Let's say you got the worst case scenario, you only got this high. 145.36, and it's been down to 144.16, so it's 120. So you probably ought to have taken profit by now and moved your stop up to right probably that high right there to reduce it from there to there. So that's on the euro yen. 4 hour, 1 hour, same thing. So that's it for this week. Hope everybody's had a good week. They've made some money. You've locked in money on your trades. If you're holding over the weekend, please do that. Protect your stop loss because the spreads are wide on the weekend, so you can get hit really easy if they're close. But I mean, you don't want them to where it's right back at the stop. But the spread could be that wide over the weekend. So I hope everybody has a good weekend. Plan on seeing you Monday. If you like the information I'm giving you, just click the like button and subscribe for me. Just makes me feel good. That's all. That somebody's actually likes what I'm doing and I'm helping them. That's the main thing. That lets me know that. So I appreciate you guys. You all have a good weekend, and we will see you on Monday.